how to draw simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some storm clouds. Let's start off by drawing a scene for our storm clouds. First, a long horizontal line for the ground. Then, a long mountain range above it in the distance. To learn how to draw some mountains in more detail, check out our other video linked in the description below. I'm going to add some more jagged lines coming down from different points to give it some depth. Next, we can draw our storm clouds. Start with a really bumpy line way up here, going up and down all the way across to the other side. Then, do the same thing we did with the mountains, but for the clouds, by extending some bumpy lines up from some of the corners to give it some detail. Next, add some long, thin diagonal lines coming down from the clouds for the rain. Followed by a Z shape coming down from here, and another Z shape coming back up to the cloud for some lightning. Add another one over here, and one in the middle as well. I'm going to give this one 3 zigzags. Lastly, add some really close, thin diagonal lines across the bottoms of the clouds to make them look darker. And now you've got some storm clouds. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.